What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Skimp, and today I'm gonna make me some smash burgers with some homemade fries. And you see all the little key ingredients we using. You got the fresh ground beef. You got some Velveeta slices of cheese. You got the lettuce. We got the pickles. We got the onions and the potatoes. And the first thing I'm finna start doing, peeling the potatoes. And do one of them for right now. Peel them out slowly. I don't like using a potato peeler. It takes too long. I like cut mine off in slices. Just go around, let the knife do the work. Just like that, easy does it. That's just the first one, and I got 4 more to cut up, and I will get right back at you after it's done. Now everything is peeled, all 6 potatoes. Now I'm gonna take one of them, cut it in half, just like this. And then slowly, gently cut them in small slices like that. I'm gonna try to make some homemade French fries. So do it like that, nice and thin. Start off with the other half. Sometimes it might slip away from your fingers sometimes. You know how potatoes is. But yeah, nice and thin slices. See, and then another thing about the safety, that's why you always use 3 fingers so you don't cut yourself. And even though it slips, at least the knife itself is not going to cut your fingers. That's where the 3 finger rule come into play at. Just like that. Nice and gently. Boom. And then I'm finna do the other 4 like that, and I will get right back at you. Now since all the potatoes are cut down, I got them in them nice slices how I want it to be. I ain't talking about like no fast food French fries. This is home fries. Let's get that straight. Make sure that is home fries. But yeah, but anyway, enough with the fries. Finna jump onto the ground beef, and finna take a little bit like this, ball it up to a nice little ball. Just a little bigger than a meatball. That's how you want it. The second one, do the same thing. Put it into a nice little ball. Just a little oversized than a golf ball. Boom. Now the pan is nice and hot. Now to start off, put one in there. And put the second one in there. Let that sizzle for a minute. Let that cook. And then what I'm gonna do is smash it down. I'm talking about smashing it. Like Hope Smash. Smash it flat as you can, possibly smash it. Do that. Add a little salt to it. A little pepper. Keep on let that cook for a little while. And it's almost time to flip it. Always maybe a minute and a half, and then you turn it over to the other side for it to cook, because since it's flat, it shouldn't take too long to make smash burgers. I'm still smashing a little bit, not flat enough for me. But mine pretty much like how you do cube steaks. How you gotta pound it, but I ain't gonna do no pounding, I'm just smashing it. Just like that. It's time to turn it over. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. That's how you want it. That's exactly how you want it. Just like that. Let that cook. Add a little salt on this side too. Repeat it. A little pepper. And then now, since the grease is hot, now it's time to do our home fries. Then once everything done, I'll get right back at you. Now, since the burgers are cooked, now it's time to put the cheese on top of it. Let it melt. Just like that. Get our hamburger buns. As you can see, the fries is over here frying right now, but that ain't gonna take too long. Now, I'm gonna place it on there like that, one by one. Oh boy, whew, that look delicious, very delicious. Get the size now. I'm gonna repeat it, do another one. I gotta wash my hands, that's important. Keep my hands clean. Now, since my hands are clean again, let's repeat this. Let's smash it all down. little salt, little pepper, stir up these fries a little bit, these home fries. Take a little longer to cook these. And now I'm going to start on the onions. Move this to the side. Cut up some onions. I like to keep mine in rings, so when I put them in the pan, fit perfectly on that burger. Gotta saute these onions. That's the best way, especially when you're having a burger. Ain't nothing like some good old fashioned sauteed onions on a burger. Nothing like it. That's the best. Some people might prefer raw onions, but I don't. I like mine sauteed a little bit, cooked a little bit. Then, I'm gonna come over here, grab some salt. I ain't putting no pepper on, I just need just salt. Let them cook for a little minute. Stir it up. Oh boy, I can smell them onions already, boy. Whew, they smell delicious. I ain't gonna lie, I want to eat them just as is right now. I ain't gonna lie to you how good they smell. Golly. I'm gonna let those cook for a minute. Come back over here with my burgers. Turn them. Add a little salt to it on the other side. Repeat it. A little pepper. Stir up the fries. Once it's done, I will get right back at you. Now, since we already, the fries is already out, I just took them out. Now, I'm gonna start dressing up the sandwich. The lettuce already washed off, as you can see. Start spreading it on there. I'm gonna cut the onions off. Excuse me. Cut them off. Set that right there. Start taking a little onion. Put them on the burger. Just like that, nice and smooth. To the side. Now add a little pickles, some Mount Olive hamburger dill chip pickles. Hand's a little slippery, it's kind of hard for me to open this. Okay, there we go. A couple of pickles. Come over here, grab some mustard, some ketchup. Brand new. As you can see, I'm taking the tab off of it right now. So Shake it up a little bit. Whoa. Same thing with the mustard. Go. That on top, that on top. Add some home fries. Just like that, nice and gently. Get me a little napkin. What you always gotta do, wipe off the plate. That's how professional chefs always do it. Wipe the plate down. Make it look professional. Come on over here. Put it on the table. And now, this is my take on a smash burger and homemade fries. And I'm gonna give it a little taste test. Man, this is A1 right here. It's like one of the best burgers, especially when you cooking it. Oh God! Now look at that. See how juicy it is in the middle. Oh God. Now that's the best. And this is my take on the smash burger. And Skimp B, he's out. Thanks again for watching another episode of South Aid Kitchens. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And it's the boy Skimp B, and I'm out.